Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be talking about pH sensors, specifically the pH sensor that comes with a 4502C module. Whether you are building a smart hydroponic project or you just love experimenting, this sensor is what you would like to understand. Let's get started. Before we get into more details, let's understand what a pH sensor is. pH sensor is a module that is used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. In chemistry, the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, where 7 is a neutral value. Below 7 is acidic and above 7 is alkaline. This is the key measurement in chemistry, biology, agriculture, and water quality monitoring. The sensor we are going to be using in this video today comes with a pH probe and a signal conditioning board, which in our case is the 4502C module. So to make this work, we are going to need a microcontroller board that supports analog read. In our case, we chose the Arduino Uno. So we're going to wire these two boards following this diagram. As you can see, VCC goes to 5V on the Arduino board, ground goes to ground, PO goes to analog 0, and we are done with the wiring. It's simple enough. Once it's wired, we can now upload the sketch into the Arduino and start reading values from the pH sensor. So this is the sketch that we're going to upload into our Arduino board. Before we upload the code into our Arduino board, let's have some discussions about the sketch. This code reads the voltages, then converts it into pH value. The formula might vary depending on your sensor calibration. You can see right here on this line, we are reading value from analog pin 0. We are converting that value into voltage, and then we are using the calibration formula to now convert the red value into pH value and now displaying the value on the serial monitor. Then wait a second and then perform the same reading again. Calibrating this sensor is very important to obtain accurate results.
To calibrate this sensor, we have two potentiometers. You can see here that we have some values that are currently coming out, 3.96. So if we have a non-pH value for maybe water, which is normally supposed to be 7, we can now use that. We put our probe inside that liquid. Knowing its pH value, we can now come here and calibrate our sensor to match that value. You see that as we tune the thing left, the value changes. So we can turn that until it matches the value of our pH, the pH value of our liquid or our solution. Once we are sure of that, we can leave it and be sure that the values we are going to be getting, the readings we are going to be getting from the sensor are actually accurate. So that is how the pH sensor works. The wiring is quite easy. You just need 3 cables. We need the ground, the VCC, and the analog read, which is PO. So this works well. Thank you very much for watching this video.